Hello and welcome back to Tech with Lucy. Today, we're diving into the brand new features Microsoft just unleashed in Excel in August 2025. From AI inside the grid to smarter pivotables and web enhancements. This update is loaded with tools that make Excel more powerful than ever. So let's dive in and see what these game-changing additions mean for you. The first new feature is something that's been highly anticipated. It's the long-awaited arrival of the Excel Copilot function. If you're not familiar with Copilot yet, it's Microsoft's AI assistant designed to simplify tasks and bring automation to your fingertips. Now it's stepping into the world of Excel. Let's see how this works. Here I am in Excel, and if I go ahead and in any blank cell type the equal sign, you'll see the prompt for a function. Let's click on the drop-down and select Copilot. Now let's say I want to summarize customer feedback in these columns G through M. Notice I'm using quotation marks here to define my range, and I'll press Enter. Watch what happens. Excel uses AI to analyze the text data and within seconds presents a breakdown of sentiments and common themes. What's cool is that you can customize these categories right here. Want to see details on a particular category? Click on the plus icon and you get a detailed breakdown. This is a game changer for tasks like market research and trend analysis. Right now, the Excel Copilot function is available to Microsoft 365 Copilot users in the beta channel, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Keep an eye out for its wider release soon. Next, we have another exciting AI-powered feature, the Explain Formula function. In a world where Excel sheets can become a tangled web of formulas, understanding someone else's code can be a headache. Explain Formula simplifies this process by translating complex formulas into plain English. So, how does it work? Well, let's take a look at this example. I've got a complicated formula here, and instead of deciphering it myself, I can now click into the cell and notice this new icon. It looks like a speech bubble. Upon clicking, you'll see a breakdown of the formula step by step. AI breaks down the formula logic, explaining each part in simple terms. This is super helpful for those starting out in Excel or even for experts who just need a quick refresher on a complex formula. Explain Formula is currently in public preview for all Microsoft 365 users on Windows and Mac. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about Python. Excel's Python support keeps getting better, and this month's no exception. The ability to write Python scripts directly into Excel is a fantastic tool for data scientists and analysts. Now Microsoft is bringing Python closer to everyday tasks with the launch of Python for image analysis. Let's see this in action. I've got a set of images here and I'll insert them as an image dataset into Excel. Next, let's switch to the Python tab. Here's where I can write my Python script. Instead of dealing with raw data, I can leverage pre-coded functions to perform image analysis. For instance, I could analyze the main colors in the images or determine the dominant objects. And the best part, I can call these functions directly from Excel. Just type the name of the function and hit Enter. Then you'll see the results in the adjacent cells. This is a big step towards making data analysis and image processing more accessible. However, this feature is currently only available to insiders on Windows, Mac, and the web. Moving on to our fourth feature. Let's talk about the Draw tab on Windows. This new update makes it easier than ever to annotate and visualize your data. If you haven't used the Draw tab before, it gives you the ability to add shapes, arrows, and text boxes directly onto your spreadsheet. But that's not all. This update brings new pen tools, allowing for more precise customization and control over your annotations. For example, you can now add callouts, making it easier to highlight specific data points or trends. While this update is exclusive to Windows, it's a great addition for those who prefer to use touchscreens or styluses with their Excel. Now let's turn our attention to a significant update for Excel on the web. We've all been there trying to update chart labels in Microsoft Excel, and normally you would have to download the file, make the changes, and then upload it back. But not anymore. Now you can do it all in your web browser. Take a look at this chart. I've got sales data for different products, and the labels are right here. Now let's say I want to change them. All I have to do is click on the labels, start typing, and the changes appear immediately. This is a game changer for collaborative work because changes reflect instantly across the team. Best part, this feature is available to all Excel on the web users. In our sixth spot, we're discussing a much requested enhancement for PivotTables. Auto-refresh PivotTables is a feature that has been on many users' wish lists, and it has finally here. This is a huge deal for those who regularly update and analyze large datasets. Now, whenever your source data changes, your PivotTable will refresh automatically, providing you with the latest insights. To enable this, simply go to the PivotTable Analyze tab under Options and select Automatic Refresh. This is currently available to insiders on both Windows and Mac. Last but not least, let's talk about another highly anticipated feature, Power Query Refresh on the web. This update allows you to refresh data in Power Query on the Excel on the web app, even if it's connected to an authenticated data source. This is a major boost for productivity because you can update your data without switching to the desktop app. Simply select Query, refresh, choose the data source, and authorize Excel to access it, and voila, your data is updated. This feature is available to all Microsoft 365 insiders on Excel for the web. And that's a wrap on the August 2025 Excel update. So to recap, here are the key highlights: the new Copilot function, Explain Formula, Python image analysis, Draw tab enhancements, Editable data labels and charts, auto-refreshing PivotTables, and Power Query Refresh on the web. Which feature are you most pumped about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.